Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to have a letter expand. I'm going to do that with my R. So I'm going to turn off all the other layers. And I'm just working on my layer with the R. Going to click on that layer so I know that's what I'm using. Right now I have in frame 30 is where it starts. Frame 60 is where my R is in its place, where it needs to be. I'm going to make that happen a little bit faster. I'm going to have it so it actually lands at the same time as the B. So I'm just going to play this so you can see what happened there. Turn this B off, I don't need it right now. So I have my R in frame 30, and then in 45 it's in place. We're going to have it expand and then shrink back down to where it needs to be. So this goes for most of the effects that we are doing. I'm going to say at frame 95, I'm going to insert a keyframe. And what I was saying where this goes for all the effects, you want it to come back to its original place because at the end, it's going to read your name. Now, we have 30, 45, it's in its place, and then at 95, it's still in its place. It's not moving right now because I don't have a tween on there. What I'm going to do is in between, roughly in the middle, I'm going to insert a keyframe. I'm going to use my transform. I'm going to blow it up. Now, it's out of proportion. I'm going to hit shift. So that way it stays in proportion. So 45, 70, it blows up. 95, it's back to its original spot. I have to do a classic tween. All right, so let's watch the R from the beginning. Blows up, shrinks back down. And that's basically how you expand the letter. I'm going to show you one more trick. Now, this is not something you have to do. However, if you want to add this effect, you absolutely can add this effect. You can also, so have it blow up, have it shrink back down. We're going to have this happen in less frames. So watch as I play. Blows up, shrinks back down. From 75 to 100, I'm going to have it go upside down and back again. So it's very similar to the way we expanded it. From 75 to, let's say, 80. Insert a keyframe. And then at 90, I'm going to insert another keyframe. So 75, it's in position. 90, it's back in position. At 80, I'm going to actually move this so it's more in the center, not directly at 80. I can use my free transform tool. Have it spin. Now, I'm going to add a motion tween here. Whoops. Maybe I don't want to do motion. We'll keep it classic. I'm sorry, classic is the right one to do. So watch what's going to happen with my R. Spins and it goes back. Now remember, you don't have to make it spin, but it's just a cool thing I wanted to show you if you do want to spin.